Station 22, I think, at least on my kind of view on what is Provo right now. I'm very respectful to the history that we have at the place, but I want to make sure that it is the place where we can kind of create the future of Provo food as well. 22 originally was founded by the guy who actually owns the building, and he wanted to create a place that, you know, was a nice little burger joint for people, and through the iterations, we've kind of just created a family place. The soda wall, again, is a wall that we have in the back of our restaurant where people come down, they can see different sodas from around the US, and they can just pick them up right there, and then they can take them to the table and drink them if they're not feeling just a regular, you know, Coke or pepper, regular soda. We try to keep that updated with new things constantly, and we look at like supply and demand in the sense of what sells. It previously was a lot of just like root beers, sarsaparillas, and like dark sodas. I'm adding a lot more fruit sodas on there, and even see if I can find some regional sodas around.
Some what?
Regional sodas.
Oh, regional.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
One thing that we have, I mean, it's not part of the soda wall because we actually have a tap. We have 22 Brew, which is a root beer that is manufactured at Moab Brewery. So it's a local Utah brewery. It's one of the best root beers I've ever had in my life. We've added some steaks which are quite interesting. So one steak in particular is called the butter steak. It's the most expensive item on the menu, but it's a ribeye that we age in butter. So we take a ribeye and we put a cocoon of butter around it.
Oh my gosh, and then
sounds so good. And we age it for 60 days. We serve that with our house-made steak sauce as well. Another couple of dishes, we've obviously put, we have a Nashville hot chicken sandwich on it. Again, coming through from Nashville, I'm putting my own little Provo spin on it. And then one thing that we're famous for, it's not a new thing, but we have put our own little spin on it, is the Chicken and Waffles. Yeah, that's what people really like here. We've kind of changed it up a little bit. Okay. Not so much with the recipe, it's kind of the same, but we put a different sauce on it. So, now it's a chipotle caramel sauce together with syrup. So the new menu is based on the entire United States, kind of.
Well, that's a lot.
Exactly. So it's based on kind of the comfort food that, or at least the way I see it, is food that people want to eat but they're too lazy to cook at home. So what we put on the menu is, you know, loaded cheese fries, steaks, ribs. It's comfort food that you'll always enjoy.
Yeah.
And I really enjoy US food culture, especially the barbecue side of things. That's why I've tried to bring more barbecue into Station 22.
You guys have your famous fried cookie dough?
Yes.
You're keeping that, right?
We're keeping the fried cookie dough. We're also going to add some fried Oreos, so that will be coming soon. Yeah.
That would be really good.
So, no, truly. So one of the things that I found was, when I eat something, I almost want to be transported. Have you ever? I mean, it sounds stupid, but have you seen Ratatouille?
Yeah.
So when he eats the ratatouille and he like goes back to stand there, his grandma or the mom's kitchen, whatever it is. I love those moments with food, and that's why I love food. So I made this ice cream, which was a pine ice cream, so pine tree, so Christmas tree ice cream we call it. Really cool. And when you ate that, it automatically gave me memories back as a kid walking through the forest with my dad on a camping trip, or when I was in the army, walking through the forest at night and it just rained. Those kind of feelings. Like was that
a good memory?
That was a great memory. I enjoyed my army time. I enjoyed serving. But like those things where I'm actually eating something, but that's not what's happening. I'm thinking about other stuff.
Yeah.
That's what I think, and that's kind of what I want to do with the fry sauce. Like,